Hey boys, new week ahead. Let's go into the charts, make a plan, and hopefully make some money this week. So, this was the trade I gave you guys yesterday, and basically it was a golden pocket plus support resistance flip, the previous all-time high, and it did take a long. And I think I might have taken profits way too early because before I went to sleep last night, I saw that it was getting rejected from this level right here, and I didn't want to risk 120 bucks. 120 bucks a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. So I'm very careful with my trades. Each time I see profits now, I usually take it, move my stop to break even, so that I just want to stack up small wins and not shoot for the moon anymore. Because always setting up unrealistic targets for your day trades is not good. You're always gonna round trip, or end up losing, not making any money if the price comes back and hits your stop loss. So that's very dumb. So you always want to protect your capital and take profits. So wow, new me, new new quarter, new me, right? But yeah, so this was the trade. I took profits around here, 113,618, because I just saw it was like it was not getting above this level, and I was kind of scared that Asia Open might dump again, but it looks like institutions bought. I think Metaplant bought some bitcoins again, and then that's why we're having a little push up right now. And this was the initial trade that I planned today before London Open. A back test of the daily open and weekly open would be nice long, but looks like I missed the trade already. However, if we do get a back test rejection from the previous day high right now, come down here, I'm probably gonna take a shot at it, because my thesis is we're probably just gonna range up here this week, because looking at the calendar, we only have two red folders this week, which is ISM services PMI and unemployment claims. So Bitcoin moved already, like it moved down a lot already, and I think it's time for this to slow down and just range up here. So my first plan is this one, and then I believe the next target would be monthly and previous week equilibrium. Plus, we have a point of control there. Although I don't like this volume profile very much, because it's not balanced. So if we do reject here, I'm gonna take a short here, and I'm gonna probably take that short all the way to weekly or previous day equilibrium, where I'm gonna long. So that's scenario number one. But scenario number two, if we do see a rejection here and not come up here, um, I might not take this previous day equilibrium long, because we might drop down. But if I see strength here and swing failure pattern, or big buys coming in, big longs coming in on the order flow, I might take it. But these are the first two trades that I want today for Monday. And then I have some short boxes for up here for the week. I have a box here for this point of control on this whole range, and we have the golden pocket right here, plus the value area high of this range. We have previous week open, previous week high. So that is probably a pretty strong short setups. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take those shorts. And for the long, I only have two longs today for this week: daily open and previous day equilibrium. So it's gonna be a slow week, I think, for Bitcoin. So it's just gonna range here. Or if we do see like massive candles going up, if these shorts don't work, we're probably gonna see previous month high. But I doubt that, because we only have two red folders this week. So this is a quick weekly update for Bitcoin. Kind of happy that altcoins are also bouncing. So tomorrow I will update you guys on some trade ideas for altcoins and my top favorite pick for day trading altcoins. And for now, this will be our update. So, um, looking at the higher time frame, kind of nice that we did already bounce here, but uh, if we don't, it's very obvious that if Bitcoin doesn't come above this, come back up on this range, we're just gonna range down here before coming down again, and we're probably gonna trade inside this range again. But if we do get above it, Bitcoin, it's Bitcoin. Anything is possible. Anything can happen. 130K might still be on the table this week. But yeah, that's my plan for this week. The reason why I am leaning more into shorts is looking at the higher time frame. It really looks weak, and Bitcoin's been going up for so long already, and it might be time for a deep retracement for August, and then maybe you know let me see the golden pocket of this ring. Okay, I kind of like this. If we do get a massive sell off, something like that, and then Bitcoin might visit this point of control, golden pocket, previous month open, previous month low, take some liquidity down here before going up to 130K. By the end of August or during the September first week before we pump higher and finally break out. You know, so that's why I'm leaning more into shorts right now. Plus, I kind of don't like the daily candle profile. It looks. Wait, let me look at the uh TPO right now. So for the TPO, no poor shorts, poor lows, but we do have a bunch of poor highs. So wait, we do have one poor low. Just below the daily open, we have one poor low. Plus, we do have some single prints at the previous day equilibrium. That's why I'll be taking this long. And then we have poor highs here, another poor high, and another poor high at 786. So this could be our targets if we do get a long here. But I'm gonna be trying some of the shorts here. If I see profits, I'm just gonna move my stop to break even, take partials because this might like just rip up. Because sometimes, I mean, the whole Twitter, whole CD right now is very bearish. And usually, if everyone is bearish, we do get a massive squeeze. And I think it's also time to take out some liquidity. But I'm still leaning more into shorts right now. But, a big squeeze could be open, I would say. So I might, I'm going to update you guys how the week goes, but I think it's going to be pretty slow because we don't have anything. All right. So